With our dough in the oven now to rise, and again, make sure your oven's not hot, but is nice and warm. Sort of that humid in Hawaii feeling. And put that in there, and then set your timer for about 30 minutes. And that's probably too soon, but I like to check every 30 minutes and see what my dough looks like. And we don't want to take it out until it's doubled in size. Now, that's sometimes hard to gauge. And another thing that we can do is when we look at it and you're not sure if it's really double or not, because doubling in volume, it'll spread as well. And so sometimes it has doubled in size, but you're thinking it should be twice as high, and it won't necessarily be. But if you take and push the edge of the dough with your finger and it does not rebound, it stays relaxed in a relaxed state, then it is also getting close, if not there, to the point where we can bring it out and punch it down and let it raise one more time.